Affordable divorce services in Contra Costa County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're going through a divorce in Contra Costa County and looking for a way to keep costs down without sacrificing quality, you're not alone. Many couples want a simpler, more affordable option, and that's exactly what we offer. Let me explain how you can get divorced affordably without the stress of doing it all on your own. Hiring an attorney can easily cost thousands of dollars even in an uncontested divorce. But if you and your spouse are in agreement, or mostly in agreement, there's no reason to take that route. You can still get professional help, have everything filed correctly, and get through the process efficiently without breaking the bank. At Divorce 661, we specialize in flat-fee, full-service divorce help. That means we take care of everything for you, filing your paperwork, handling service, preparing your agreement, and submitting your judgment to the court, all for one flat rate with no hidden costs. We recently helped a couple in Contra Costa who were quoted over $6,000 by a local attorney. They came to us and we handled the entire divorce for a fraction of that amount. Their case was filed, completed, and approved in just a few weeks, and they never had to step into a courtroom. Contra Costa County allows e-filing, which makes the process even easier when done correctly. But if you don't know how the court expects things to be submitted, you could face delays, rejections, and a lot of wasted time. That's where our experience makes all the difference. If you're looking for an affordable, stress-free way to get divorced in Contra Costa County, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through the process, handle the paperwork, and help you finalize your divorce without the high cost of attorneys or the headache of going it alone.